Comprehensible car battery chargers comparison. Portable car battery chargers have become essential tools for vehicle owners, ensuring you're never stranded with a dead battery. These devices not only provide a quick jump start, but often come with additional features, such as battery maintenance, desulfation, and even USB charging for your gadgets. For this comparison, we analyzed 5 top-rated models within a price range of $25.19 to $37.99, assessing their features. List number. The NOCO Boost GB40 stands out as a powerful jump starter capable of delivering 1,000 amps to start dead batteries in vehicles with up to 6.0-liter gas or 3.0-liter diesel engines. Its ultra-safe technology ensures spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it foolproof for users of all experience levels. Additionally, the device doubles as a portable power bank with USB charging and includes a 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, making it an excellent emergency tool. The rugged IP65 rated housing adds durability, and its compact design makes it easy to store in your glove box. In testing, the GB40 performed exceptionally well, delivering consistent power to jumpstart a variety of vehicles, including sedans and SUVs. The integrated flashlight proved useful during nighttime emergencies, and the power bank feature charged a smartphone rapidly. However, the GB40 is primarily a jump starter and lacks the battery maintenance capabilities of other chargers in this list. It's best suited for users who prioritize quick jump starts and portability over long-term battery care. List number. The NOCO Genius 1 is a versatile 1A smart battery charger designed for 6V and 12V lead-acid and lithium batteries. It combines charging, maintenance, and desulfation capabilities into a compact unit. The integrated thermal sensor dynamically adjusts charging based on ambient temperature, ensuring optimal battery performance in any climate. The Genius 1 also includes a force mode for recovering deeply discharged batteries, making it a practical choice for neglected or idle vehicles. During testing, the Genius 1 excelled at maintaining battery health, particularly for vehicles left idle for extended periods. Its compact size and wall plug design make it easy to use and store. However, its 1A charging rate is slower compared to higher amp models, which may not suit users needing quick charges. This product is ideal for users seeking a reliable, all-in-one solution for maintaining and restoring batteries without breaking the bank. List 3. The YANHAN 10-amp battery charger offers an impressive range of features at a budget-friendly price of $25.19. This fully automatic charger supports both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries and functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. It includes an LCD screen displaying voltage, current, and temperature, as well as winter and summer modes for seasonal optimization. Safety features such as reverse polarity protection and overcharge prevention are also built in. In real-world use, the YANHAN charger delivered solid performance for maintaining and restoring battery health. The advanced repair mode was particularly useful for reviving older batteries. However, the shorter cable length and lack of support for lithium batteries are notable drawbacks. This model is perfect for budget-conscious users who need a versatile charger for lead-acid batteries. List number. The Nex Peak NC202 is a premium 10-amp charger designed for both LiFePO4 and lead-acid batteries. It features an 8-stage charging process for enhanced safety and efficiency, along with a large LCD screen for easy monitoring. The NC202 also includes temperature compensation, ensuring optimal performance in extreme climates. Its extended 10-feet cable adds convenience, and the high-efficiency pulse repair function can restore battery health and extend lifespan. The NC202 impressed during testing with its fast charging speed and ability to maintain batteries over long periods. The 8-stage process is particularly beneficial for users with high-performance or deep-cycle batteries. However, its higher price and bulkier design may deter some users. This charger is best suited to those who prioritize advanced features and high charging efficiency. List number 5. The Shoeacher Electric SL1639 is a powerful 1,000 amp jump starter capable of handling larger engines, including up to 8.00-liter gas and 6.0-liter diesel. It doubles as a USB power bank and emergency flashlight, making it a versatile tool for roadside emergencies. The compact design allows for easy storage, while built-in safety features like spark-free protection and reverse polarity safeguards ensure user safety. In testing, the SL1639 performed admirably, jump-starting larger vehicles with ease. The USB charging ports were fast and convenient for powering devices on the go. However, like the NOCO GB40, it lacks battery maintenance features, limiting its use to emergency situations. This product is ideal for users with larger vehicles who need a reliable jump starter and occasional power bank functionality.